can go to the global.
India is hosting such a prestigious global AI summit in Delhi. Irresponsible Congress, with their advice of Mr. Rahul Gandhi, the Youth Congress were trying to lower the image and pride of our great nation India by enacting a drama by way of doing an agitation inside hall number 6. When our Honorable Prime Minister is trying to showcase our youth power in innovation and technology, the Congress, with a political motive, to show their anger against Narendra Modi ji, they were trying to damage the image of our India. We are strongly condemning the act of Youth Congress, and not only as a political party. Some of the industrial leaders, some of the association, youth forums, all are strongly condemning the attitude of the Congress party, and because of which they are thinking that they brought a bad name to our Honorable Prime Minister. But Congress is showing their true color in exposing themselves, how they are against the interest of our younger generation as well as our Mother India.